All right, guys. So welcome to this live session here with your host Dre Day FX. As we do every weekdays, we look at the Forex indices and markets. So hope everyone had a great day. So we were on the live here this morning at London. Pretty good, pretty good live that we had overall. We had two sell signals here, one for German, the other one for UK 100. So awesome trades overall. So let's get on to it. So we're going to look at the TV Alert app. So this is the app that we have here in regards to the um, the alert for our buyer or sells, and also our news calendar. So that's what we're going to be looking at here. So as you can see, the last two signals here that we had today. So we had two trades today, two signals here that came in. So German for a sell and UK 100 for a sell right at the market open. So now we're going to look at the news calendar. So we have, if we look here for our session here that is New York, what we're going to be looking at is all of the US indices, so US30, NASDAQ, S&P 500, Russell, and we have also German, so German 40, and you could also put Euro 50. Sometimes you're going to have some setups here, even UK 100, but I'm only going to be focusing on those US indices here. So as of today, we don't have any news here for the US for today by looking at the news calendar. I'm just gonna double check that here on my end. Yeah, exactly. So nothing significant other than we have Truman Powell here talking today. I think it's at 12 or 12:30 my time. So be careful about that. But other than that, smooth selling here for this session. So basically, we're going to be waiting for the signals here to come in here at the market open to see exactly if we're going to get a buy or a sell on those indices here. Also, we're going to receive close trade if there's any. All right. So let's get on to the trading view chart. So I could explain you the alerts, the indicators that we have. So the first indicator here is Nova. So this is a trend indicator that provide you with buy and sell signals here. So pretty straightforward here. So right now we're in bearish movement here on US30. Then we have fair value gap. So this is FVG. Just gonna make sure that I'm on the right FVG. I'm gonna put that on 1 hour. There we go. So this is a 1 hour fair value gap here on the 50-minute chart. So provide you with the fair value gaps here based off a bullish setup or bearish setup. Currently, we're in that bullish fair value gap here, that big one. Maybe it's going to pass through it because that fair value gap was confirmed here with that buy here. So we had a buy, we tested that FVG, and we started to pull up. Then we have bearish FVGs here. So if it breaks down towards below this FVG, that means that we're going to be maybe looking to go to retrace to the upside and get a fair value gap here on the top, and maybe a fib retracement here also. Next, we have ILO level. So this is a support and resistance zone indicator. So you could use that for support and resistance, also to place your stop loss and take profit here, based on the setup that you're going to be looking at. Then you have MTA. So this is a multi-time frame analysis. So it provided you with a previous day high, low, and medium price. So right now for US30, we're trading at the previous day low. So we may start going lower here, but price may start to reverse and start to go up. So we'll see how this thing setup will go. Then we have POC and VWAP. So this is a point of control and volume weighted average price. So point of control, this is the previous day point of control. So this is the data from the previous day that's giving you an actual average of the point of control. Same thing for the VWAP. So this is the average price for the VWAP for the previous day. And pretty simple, if the current price is trading below those two lines, that means that we're bearish. If it's trading above those two lines, that means that we're going bullish. So right now we're bearish still. And finally, we have EMX with Nova. So this is ADX is EMX is a ADX indicator. So this is basically the way that I was trading earlier in my trading career. Hey, Leon, hope you have a great day. So we're waiting for an actual setup here on the ADX to give us a buy. And if it's following the trend, that's good. So right now, as you can see, that trade came in at 9 o'clock last night at Asian. So I wouldn't take that trade at all because it's not within my session. So, but if it's following your session, most of the time it's gonna hit. So it's gonna be profitable overall. All right, perfect. So let's go on the Discord and see exactly if we have any profit that came in here with our members. I know Leon had a profitable session, so we're going to look at it here. Boom, boom. So as you can see here, it says London session profit EURUSD sell setup. All right, based on the MX management indicator. So he's using my indicators here, and it breaks down the analysis here. Also, you had the EMX Nova sell also with a point of control. So this is all of the indicators I'm showing you guys. That's what Leon is using. So everything is good, even the high-low level that I explained. So everything is perfect. Risk point a quarter of a percent. And let's look at this result. So we're going to look at the setup that we saw here on EURUSD. So this is EURUSD. And as you can see, so it was an actual sell setup here that he took. So that's perfect. Then look at the results. So $125 here for USD. And then he took a small scalp here on UK100. So that was the sell that came in at London. But this trade, he took it by itself using the indicator. So congrats, Leon. Congrats. Let me put my emojis. Let's go. All right. So let's go back here on the trading view. And we're going to go back here on Nova. We're going to open Nova here. Make sure, so we're going to wait for the alert. Make sure that I'm setting up my stuff correctly here on my end. So we don't have any news here for New York other than Powell that we talking at 12:20 my time. So for New York, we have no news. So we'll wait and see. So on the indices here, if we look at the US30, NASDAQ, and all that stuff, they're trading to the downside right now. They seems to be consolidating a little bit. So we'll see exactly how everything goes. All right, so we're gonna have we still have 3 minutes left before market open, and we're gonna be waiting for our signals here coming in here at after 9:30. So the signals will come in between 9:30 and around 10:15. So that's pretty much the period that we're gonna have some signal coming in, and once again, you just make sure that you take proper risk management. And this live is only for educational purposes only, guys. So if you need some guidance here on trading and all that stuff, you can always go on the link under this live. You should have a Google form. You could fill it up and see exactly if you're able to. We could able to work together here in regards to your trading. So that's pretty much the gist of it. So we're gonna wait for that market to open. All right. Perfect. So I'm gonna keep myself here on US 100, so NASDAQ, and I'm gonna open point of control. And we're gonna look at the fib retracement. So I'm looking at the swing high, swing low right now. So I'm just gonna plot it from here to here, and I'll adjust it afterwards. And you see that most of the time when you do a fib retracement here, most of the fib retracement are near a previous day VWAP or POC. So right now it's really at near the previous day POC VWAP. Sorry. So I'm just gonna adjust my my thing. Yeah. So that was perfect. So this is the swing high to the swing low. So it did give you a swing. And I'm just gonna adjust my my thing here. Swing low is right here. Yeah, so that's perfect. So we'll see exactly if it wants to go to 50 or 61.8. So it's 9:30, so the market just started. All right, so sorry about that, guys. So let's see. So start. So market open right now. Gonna wait it out. So based on what I'm seeing here, they may be starting to push the market to the upside. Yeah, but to get the thing is that to get a buy signal, it needs to the actual buy signal needs to they may be starting to go lower also. But to get the buy signal, it needs to pass the cloud here. If it doesn't pass the cloud, it's gonna be we're still bearish here overall, and we're not near the cloud at all. So if we have any signals, it will be some sells. If not, yeah, exactly. So we may have a continuation here until power will speak, or we may not have any signals at all. So we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Yeah, so we have a sell US30.
Sell US30 at price 45,644.9 on 15 AM time frame at time 9 hours 35 minutes and 56 seconds. Sell US30 at price
Sell US30. So we still have a sell continuation here. So let's look at US30. So Russell 2000 is a sell also.
Sell RTY at price 2,427.4 on 15 AM time frame at time 9 hours 36 minutes and 36
And we have a sell on, let's see here.
Time 9 hours 36 minutes and 36 seconds.
All right, so we have US30 for a sell and Russell for a sell. So those are the two signals for now. So we have a continuation here on the downside for those two. All right, so let's look. Still have a push here to the downside. Russell also. We'll see if have some sort of retracement here. S&P 500 for a sell. So S&P 500 for a sell.
Sell US 500 and price 6.
And we have NASDAQ for a sell.
5.7 on 15 AM time frame and time 9 hours 39 minutes and 24 seconds. Sell US 500 and price 6,575.7 on 15 AM time frame and time 9 hours 39 minutes and 24 seconds.
So NASDAQ
Sell US 100
also have a sell here.
4,351.5 on 15
And
time time 9 hours
it's going
39
to change that to this.
Sell US 100 and price 24,351.5 on 15 AM time frame and time 9 hours 39 minutes and 39 seconds.
So let's all right, that's NASDAQ. US30 is here. All right, so everything is selling off right now. So everything is pushing to the downside. Just waiting for it. NASDAQ, so US30 here, looking good. So US30, S&P 500 is pushing to the downside. NASDAQ also. US30 also. And Russell is retracing a little bit here right now. But if you were on those, so everything is looking good here. Everything is looking perfect. Seems you want to have a continuation here to the downside. All right. So let's push. We'll still have US30 looking good also. So we should have some fire trades here right now, guys. Should be looking good. So we have a new candle that's coming in here in a couple of minutes. A couple of seconds here, not a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds. So we'll see exactly how market's going to react off of it. All right. So what trade closed? So US30 is done. All right, so know what's good here. SSP is well, perfect. So that's good. In and out, that's perfect. And I'm just gonna go here. Let's see. All right, so done with that. All right. All right. Je un peu que je mets un trade pour lui, ça fonctionne pas. Ça, je vais focus on this trade. All right. Close this, close this, close this. All right. So perfect. All right. So if you took some profit, that's perfect. SS project, I will wait for immersion. Oh, wait. I close. Put 50. All right. So SSP project, will wait for 50 minutes to sell setup as continuation for sell. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Trading at low risk. Okay. Perfect. That's great. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Please, could you see in your search for early USD London? Please. No, in regards to for the institutional liquidity, it only works on indices. So it doesn't work on Forex pairs. Because Forex, the way that the calculation is done for the indicator, for some reason, it only works on. I'll tell you exactly on which one it works. I have to check. Maybe I think the yen pairs it works. Uh, Gold and metals and all of the indices. So what I'm going to add later on today will be those indices I'm going to show you here in a couple of seconds. So I'm already out. Let me check here. It's going to close this. Makes no sense. Hold on, guys. Just going to double check something here. Okay. This is this. All right. So the ones I'm going to add to the list, we have Australian 200. All right. So this is the 200 biggest companies here in Australia. So this is how this index works here. So if you don't like it, how it moves, don't take the trades, but I'm going to add that to the list. Also, we have Netherlands 25. This one will be added for London because it's a European country. So that'll be added to London. And I'm also gonna add France 40. All right, so France 40. And I think that would be it. Yes. So I'm gonna add 3 extra indices. So it'll be Australian 200. We had Netherlands 25 and France 40. So France 40 will basically, if you're trading Euro 50, you could trade France 40 at the same time. So if I go on the France 40 price action, you see that we were going down here since pretty much Monday. And if I open up Euro 50, it's moving pretty much the same way. It was going down here since yesterday at midnight, and this one was Monday night, Monday morning. It was going down. All right. So, so I'm adding up a few things here so y'all can have more setups here. But unfortunately for Euro USD, I'm not able to add. Yeah. So gold is good also. And yeah, so we're gonna add basically I'm gonna add three extra indices here for you guys. C'est n'importe quoi. On va travailler descendre, mais le compte de c'est pas augmenter. So finally, I'm going to. All right, so fortunately, and I'm going to be I'm going to look at the maybe Euro JPY maybe, but not even. I have to check exactly how it works, but I don't think I'm going to add the Forex pairs because it's not suitable for Forex specifically. It's based off of institutional liquidity, and most of the institutional traders here that are basically what is moving the market a lot is actually stocks. So, for example, if I load, I'm just gonna check here. If I load, I think it's gonna work. Even oil, I think it works too. It's gonna work on oil for sure, and even stocks and even crypto. But I don't want to overwhelm you guys with a lot of alerts. So we're going to be focusing on the indices because those are the best ones. For the rest, if you're trading Forex pairs, so Russell 2000 is the buy.
IRTY at price 2,448.4 on 15 AM time frame and time 9 hours 56 minutes and 39 seconds. IRTY at price 2,448.4 on 15 AM time frame and time.
So Russell is a buy, so I just switch for a buy. But we're not gonna chase it at all. We're gonna close. We're not gonna chase that trade. So we should be done here for this session here, guys. Let me double check Russell. I'm just gonna see like yeah, it's moving right now. Yeah, it just crossed this cloud here. So for the automation, I'm gonna change a few things here in regards to the pairs to be trading on. So I'm gonna focusing on in the New York session here instead of London. So London is a little bit choppy. It's more scalping than anything, but US30, the indices here for the US, it's pretty good. Perfect. So let's see here. Still have a few minutes left, but if you have any questions, it's the last round of questionings here, guys. If not, we're gonna close it up. We're gonna be going back here tomorrow for London session. But for this session here, you guys had some good setup here overall, so pretty happy. So we had a continuation here to the downside. So price is starting to reverse here, even on SSP 500. The reason why I didn't stay on that trade is because the signal came in way late in regards to the actual trend. The trend already started here. So if let's say we had a sell here at the start of the trend, like at New York, that would be I would have to hold the trade a little bit longer. But since we're at the end of basically the trend, I'm pretty sure it's hitting up a fair value gap here or something. Yeah, so I didn't want to take the risk here of holding on to those trades here, so that's why I got out in profit. So that's perfect on that. All right, let me close this. Yeah, exactly. So everything is reversing right now. Exactly. So that was a quick scalp for the downside, and then just to wait it out, and we're living. We're able to live for another day. So we're gonna be trading later tomorrow here. So let's close it out here, guys. So thank you so much for being on this live. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And we had the four sell signals here. So US30, NASDAQ, S&P 500, and Russell 2000. Three of those four here hit pretty good. Fortunately, Russell reversed before the S&P 500, the US Dow Jones. So that's good on that. No problem, Leon. So we'll catch on here tomorrow here for another session here for with the Dre Day FX. All right. So have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk. We'll see us tomorrow morning. All right. Have a great one. Peace.